In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the Analytic Solver to create box plots. And I will also explain how to interpret the results of the box plots. So this is our data file. It's about houses, including multiple variables such as selling price, the size, the location, and the type, whether it's detached or condo. Under data mining, under explore, choose chart wizard, choose box plot, and click next. We would like to see the selling price on the Y or vertical axis, and we would like to see the location on the X or horizontal axis. For right now, we choose no panel. I'll explain what panel is and demonstrate it later. Click finish. Now we see we have 5 box plots, each for one location. And on the Y, we can see the selling price, right? So we can quickly figure out that on the shady side, houses are more expensive. And on the Hamilton location, houses are cheaper. We can also see the variation or range of the selling prices for each location. For example, Hamilton has small variation of the selling prices versus Irving has a large range or variation of the selling prices. Next, we can also use panel to see multiple things. So let's first take a look at type versus the size. And then we're going to use panel in here. My demonstration is on the Windows virtual server. So for some reason the fonts look very small, but this is the location panel. So now I have still 5 locations, right? And so we can, from this location, we can see from the panels, we can see that in Hamilton, it doesn't matter the type, whether it's condo or detached, the size is about the same. And then all the locations, we can see that detached properties have a higher variation of sizes than the condo. So box plots focus on median, and median, we know that from math, is that when you have an array of numeric values and you can sort them from, say, smallest to largest, and then in the middle of it, that would be your median. So if we have an array of variables, let me minimize this, and so we have 10 prices, and then we can sort them from smallest to biggest, and then we can see that in the middle would be number 5 and number 6, and then so we say that the median is the average of the middle 2, or we can say we can use the median function of Excel, and the answer should be the same. So box plots, in the middle, you will see the median of the whole array, and then in the 2 sides of the box plots, you will see the upper range and the lower range median as well. So we can see that from, we use no panel, box plots give us the median in here, and it gives us the higher quartile and the lower quartile, higher at 75, lower at 25. And it also gives us the whiskers. This is what we call the whiskers. It shows us the maximum value and the minimum value. So if we mouse over here, it tells us the maximum is 2300, minimum is 950. So we can process 950 and 2300 is in here. And then the median is 1750, so it's a little bit above 1500. So this is the box plot. It's very visually can tell us the variance of the values within an array, and we can also compare amongst multiple variables.